The biggest change for me was just, I forget exactly when it was, but going from like daily coding or coding mission critical things to more like, what I do now, which is coding stuff for myself or that's not like in the sort of mission critical line of path. So I try to, what I would call an ideal week is I spend about a third of my time on people. That's hiring, HR, which reports directly to me, performance management. So kind of the people side, which if you don't get that right, nothing else matters. And if you get it right, things can be very easy, running a company or managing a team. And if you have the wrong people in there, it can be miserable, and also demotivating for their colleagues. Second is I spend about a third of my time on product. So I'm in a lot of product meetings, architecture meetings. Yeah, using like working with business leads. Sometimes it's working more on the business side, sometimes it's on the design side, sometimes on a sort of more product, sometimes it's engineering. I love all of those, and I've done a lot of each in my career. So it's nice to be able to work across all the things we do. Which, like I said, there's some big ones, and then there's a lot of small things. So I do enjoy that variety of moving between scaled products, where like the biggest thing might be like internationalization or something like that, and something brand new where you're still figuring out that product market fit. And the last third, I would say, is just stuff that bubbles up to the CEO. I'm not gonna even call it emergencies all the time, but it might be things that only the CEO could do, like fundraising, dealing with the board, dealing with existing investors. It might be sort of like the weird emergencies that make their way to the. It's gone through a couple layers, so by the time it gets to you, it's pretty unique. So that's yeah, that's probably the last third of my time is just that kind of like things that are popping up that week, and it's different every single week.